tools and parts required. Today we're going to install an Elon 100 PV water heating system. In order to do this, we will need these parts and tools: our Elon 100 controller and our control dial, fitted with a 10-meter cable and a green element adapter, some black 4mm solar cable and some red solar cable, black for negative and red for positive DC connections. We will also need about 3 meters of 2.5mm twin and earth cable, and then some sprag for the DC wiring inside the roof, a 4-way sub-dB box for the DC isolator and fumes, and some additional glands for the sprag, some 2.5 square millimeter earth cable for the grounding of the PV panels and mounting hardware. Then the tools we will need are as follows. First, a selection of screwdrivers, including a star screwdriver and a flat screwdriver, a pair of wire cutters, a 17mm spanner, a multimeter with clamp to test the voltage and current, both AC and DC, some cable ties to fix the sprag to the timbers. We have a 20 to 25mm hole saw to be able to drill through steel and the tiles, a battery-powered or cordless drill and a Tech screw bit. We will need some Tech screws or similar in order to fix the attachments to the roof and the roof trusses, some small self-tapping screws to secure the position of the roof hook. We will also need a pair of MC4 connectors with their appropriate ferrules and mounting hardware. Of course, the quantity of the components you need will vary according to the size of the installation. The hardware that we supply is NAS hardware, which is made from a polymer, some mid clamps and some end clamps, and we will also use roof attachments of different types for different roofs. This type is used for clip lock roofing, this type for IBR profile roofs, and this type for the corrugated profile roofs. And then of course the roof hook in the background, which is for a tiled roof, and then 2 pieces of aluminium rail. Please note, personal protective equipment for working at heights must be worn and used at all times, such as safety harnesses and fall arrest or fall restraint systems.